Hello, this is Luis Vallejo in the Bonsai Museum where I have my collection, Madrid. The collection is made by more than 100 trees. Most of them are in the main display, in the main area, which is this one around me. And I think we have a quite not only diverse trees, but good quality on them. And I'm very proud of that. Of course, you don't have this only by your own. You need to have a good team, and I have it. I have Mario, I have Julio, Eva, now Sara. We are a good team and proud of having them, and that's why the collection is at the level that you can see. I hope you enjoyed this visit with Bonsai Empire, and hope to see you in whenever you want to come here and have a visit. Thank you. Okay, this is not a new tree, but a new design. When I say new, I'm talking about the last 5-7 years. It has two fronts, which is a good thing for a tree to have two, to have this problem, no? The one that was choose, but also this can be even displayed with this front, no? The base is better, the other one, but in some way the movement of the tree, I like more this one, no? But, well, this is not a problem. I mean, this is a three-dimensional object. Of course, after the planting, we place it, and I want to have the line of the apex of the gene a little bit with an angle to make it more fluid. So this small change of angle, it brings the line here, which is not in the line of the base of the trunk, it's in another line, but give this so static trunk, it gives like a movement that will, it will lose all this rigid static position, no? So that was the first thing, and then placing the wire in the small branches. Now, after 3 years, we have only small wires on the top. I like the trees not so wide, not so rigid. So next year this will be only built by cutting and not wires at all. And well, here it is. It's like almost my size, but I mean in thick, not in that thick.